Here we are zooming into the human eye, and I just want to briefly summarize how the process of sensation and perception is occurring here in this image. So here we have the human eye, and we're talking about light wave data when we're talking about vision. So light is coming into the eye, okay, and it enters the eye through the cornea. Okay, some adjustments are made by the iris to control the pupil, so on and so forth. But most important is the fact that this light goes all the way to the back of the eye, known as the retina. Okay, the retina is a really critical area for your sensation of light data. Here in the retina are a variety of different cells known as photoreceptors. These include cells that are called the rods and the cones, and they are the special receptors for light data. They receive the data, the light gets processed through a variety of cells, okay, and then the optic nerve sends that visual information all the way to the back of the head. This is occipital lobe here, and more specifically to the visual cortex, where that information is processed and gives rise to your visual perception of the world. Your blind spot is right here where the optic nerve leaves the eye. Okay, there are no photoreceptors there, so you actually have a blind spot. Now, you don't perceive that walking around every day because your brain casually sort of fills it in. But as you'll see coming up in the reading, there are some demonstrations you can do to make yourself aware of your blind spot. Okay, but you should be familiar that light comes in, it goes all the way to the back of the retina, where the rods and the cones make sense of and interpret some of this light data, and then send it out through the optic nerve to the visual areas of the brain.